Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2018 Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch suspension lift kit on it, some 20x12 wheels with a negative 44mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 RT tires. Will it fit? Yes, it will fit, but there is some metal trimming. We'll start from the front. The first thing is you need to cut your valence. Usually it's squared off a little bit, you need to round it down there. Then you have a front crash bar. 2015 and newer F-150s, they have a front crash bar for safety reasons. We absolutely love them, it saves lives. Yes, but your tires don't really love them because they run into them. So with that being said, if you take your front crash bar and you picture it in 4 different quadrants, you have your inner and your outer, your front and your rear part of your crash bar. We take out the rear outer part of the crash bar. We take a reciprocating saw, we cut down halfway, and then we cut across halfway as well. That will take out a big enough chunk to clear these tires. What a lot of people do is they just chop the crash bar off all the way. We like to retain as much of it as possible. Then as we move to the rear of the fender, you will need to trim, if you have a fender flare, you will need to trim the bottom of your fender flare. You can trim it in a way at which it does not affect it from the exterior of the vehicle. You can only see it from the interior of the wheel well. Also, you'll need to trim a little bit of your inner fender because your tire will run into it. All of these things on the rear, it's just minor plastic trimming along with the front except for your crash bar. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, tires, wheels, lift, bumpers, headlights, taillights, grills, running boards, go to our website, central-alps.com. Hopefully we can sell you some parts. And if you're in the market for a new vehicle, but you don't want to have to go to the dealer, buy a new one, bring it to us, get it lifted, pick out your wheels, you just want it all done, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and hopefully, you can find the perfect F-150 that's already lifted, already built on a dealer's lot, ready for you to call them and go buy it today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.